The list sort method in Python sorts a list in place. Let's check out what that means. If you had a list A with the elements 3, then 2, then 1 in it, then called sort on it, A would be modified to now be in the order of 1 through 3. The in place part means, if you did not catch it already, the sorting does not make a new list. The list A itself is modified, unlike the built-in sorted function that makes an entirely new list. Let's shuffle up the list A a little bit and make it be in the order of 1, 3, 2. If you wanted the list to be descending instead of ascending, you could specify the keyword argument of reverse in the sort function to be true. That would put A in the order of 3 through 1. We are not yet done with the functionality of sort. You can also specify different functions to make sure your list gets sorted in a certain way. Let's now make the list A hold Brittany, Charlie, Alf. If we wanted to sort this list by length of names, we could call the sort method and specify the keyword argument key in the sort function to be len. That will sort the list to be in the order of Alf, Charlie, Brittany, or sorted in ascending order of name length. Staying on Alf, Brittany, Charlie, let's change the list up a little bit. We will lowercase the start of Alf and Brittany's names. If you try to just call the sort method from here, Charlie will end up at the front. Default word sorting in Python works on characters' ASCII values. I have a video where I read the ASCII table that I'll link down below. To make a long description short, ASCII is the system that maps letters to numbers. It just so happens that uppercase letters have a lower number than lowercase letters, hence why Charlie ends up at the front in this. If we called the list sort method again, but made the key be stir.lower, this would sort all the names as if every name was completely lowercase. This would get the proper order once again of Alf, Brittany, Charlie. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.